This is Chef the Soul TV News, guys. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. So guys, recently kuye kwaneyindaba ithinta kakhulukazi ke isnow ku N3 and naseyindaweni ezihlukahlukene nje kakhulukazi ke la KZN. So okwenzekile ke ekugcineni ukuthi ke kube nabantu ke abagcina bengabi right ke in terms of impilo nokuthi ke abanye bagcine bedlulelwa imiphefumulo yabo. But then recently kuye kwanokuthi ke noPenny Ntuli was one of labo bantu abaye bathinteka kakhulukazi ke empilweni. So Penny Ntuli ke is a well-known radio personality and she experienced this ordeal after being stranded on N3 road due to heavy snowfall in KwaZulu-Natal. So the unexpected weather event led to her spending 2 nights in her vehicle under extreme conditions, which unfortunately resulted in her being admitted to a hospital with suspected hypothermia. So this incident has raised concern about safety of motorists during severe weather conditions and the effectiveness of emergency response strategies in such unexpected situations. So the community has shown a wave of support for Ntuli, reflecting on the importance of heeding weather warnings and the need for better preparedness for natural events. Njengoba nomfowabo kade echaza la kuyona ke ivideo ukuthi ke baye bahamba just because into ke ebenza ukuthi ke bahambe baqhubeke regardless of mhlambe ke inotice kade yenziwe ukuthi ke vele nemigwaqo bingavaliwe. So that led to them going forward with i-trip ke akade behamba ngayo just because ke bekunesidingo futhi kubaphoqa kakhulukazi ke ngoba bekunomncwabo ke ebekumele bawu-attend ke ekhaya kubo noma kwi-family yabo. So that's why ke bekuphoqelelile ukuthi beqhubeke nalo lolu hambo. Other than lokho bathi bebengeke bakwazi ukuthi ke beqhubeke nalo lolu hambo ngaphandle ukuthi bekubaphoqa. So akusho nalo mfowethu ukuthi ke kodwa ke uPenny Ntuli uright ke ukuthi ke ubesabambekile nje just because kube namakhaza awatholayo ngaleyo ndlela. So kodwa ke akusho indaba lezi ke eziloke eziqhamuka ukuthi mhlambe uPenny Ntuli ushonile nani ke indaba lezo engekho ukuthi ke yena usesibhedlela futhi ke uya recover. Anyways guys, do comment on the section down below if you have anything to say regarding lolu daba. Don't forget to like this video and also share the video if you find the video informative. Thank you.
Samba naye ke uPenny silekelela abantu kukhona nanamasulumane ke lapha out wona yazi ke lento etshela abantu ukuthi no abangene emotweni masiphuma ke sihamba sicheck abantu ukuthi bayaphila yini njengoba kade nibona uPenny hambe check abantu ukuthi ngabe bayaphila yini. I think that is where amakhaza emngene kakhulu lapho nakhona futhi amakhaza angengeni semthamo ugule semthamo ayangena nje ahlale ngaphakathi yabo. Saphinda lapho kwaphoqeleka ukuthi ke make oshonilanga indlala iyasho basitshela ukuthi ke abantu bakhona ngakuleya ndawo kukhona ukudla la kuthola la kuthengwa khona ukusuka lade sikhona uma uhamba ngenyawo almost 2 hours yabo. Ngahamba ke ngofuna ukudla mangifuna ukudla ngimfonela isendleleni uthi hey njami ngiyakuthola ukudla ngihlangabeza mengihlangabeza uyaqhamuka excited futhi nakhona kanti la akazogula khona uyamakhaza azombamba khona. Then intatha lasibone khona ngathi kuyavuleleka kuyaqala ukuhamba njengoba sibonile ubaba uMswembe besuka ko Bergville bezanene baze bofika nangakhona la sikhona. Masamba ke sehla ke sesimfakile ke emotweni alaleka short height no uyagodola kunganakwa ke ngoba neheater ikhona akunankinga angene kalale ngemuva kuheater sivulela iheater. Hayi masifika ke lokhuzane negarage hayi no umuntu uthule ubanda ngalendlela ke isimanga la sibone khona ukuthi no lento serious sizame ukumnikeza ke icoffee thola ukuthi hayi no ubanda lokho ngempela sabe sesimphuthumisaka ekhaya kuma wakhe kwazi ukuthi because nathi ayikho into bese sizoyenza mase sekuthi ya kodwa ke uPenny uyaphila ukuthi nje ugodole kakhulu. So Ramarumaza akhona athi ushonile hayi asazi awekho bafiki kodwa yena uyaphila. It's just that ugodolile and akekho right. Yeah.